here to show you how to make a raspberry cream to go over a dish of raspberries. So I'm going to take about 1.5 cups or so of some Cool Whip. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the raspberry wild tree cheesecake blend. Now you can do this with a mixer, but I just thought doing it by hand to show you how really easy this is. You just blend. Add cheesecake blend in with this Cool Whip. And you've got a raspberry taste to die for. Of course, I wouldn't know that anymore. At the early age, I developed an allergy to raspberries. So I won't be sampling these. But then add a daub on that one, another daub on this one, and you can serve this to your guest using fat-free Cool Whip and make it a healthy dessert.